Currently working on a 2009 Honda Accord Euro model. I'm about to replace the cabin filter, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. Okay, so a couple of pointers when you're replacing a cabin filter. I would recommend picking a decent brand. The one I'm using is Riko to do this one. With Riko, sometimes you get instructions included to show you exactly step by step how you can carry this out. So it is for 2008 to 2012 models, and it gives you a breakdown of what you need to do. So it is behind the glove box in these. So we'll open the glove box, give you a look in here. And you have this little plastic tray that you pull out and simply push back on these clips, one there and one there. You pull back, and when you pull in on both clips, you pull down and then you can pull out. And there's a few retaining clips on the bottom side, so that's why you pull the clip on the left hand side there, and on the right hand side pull it from the top down and then lift up. When you get to this stage, it's very similar as well. You push in on these both sides and then you'll pull this unit back. But if you have a look there at where the airflow is, it's saying in the arrows are facing down. So you want to make sure that the filter, the arrows are facing down when you reinstall this. So I'm just going to pull this out now. So when you've pushed on both clips, I pushed on that one, pushed on that one, this will just pull out. So it comes in the straight out position then, and as you can see, this one is seeing better days. You'll just pull that up out of position then. Try and keep it as intact as possible, so that you don't put dirt everywhere. Have a look around and see if there's any retaining dust in that you need to kick out. And then remember, the airflow will be going that way, so we need the arrows facing down. So now that I have the new one installed, it's just fit back in the opposite order. So very straightforward. Pop that in. Put this back again. Then we get the L-shaped bracket back again. And that is it for this video. That is how you replace a cabin filter in a Honda Accord. Again, this is the Euro model 2008 to 2012. Hope you found this video useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.